Hi, I'm Mike Paul, and I'm coming to you from my studio here in Austin, Texas. I wanted to make this video today to showcase the new YoloLive Android app for the YoloBox Ultra. I went ahead and installed that yesterday, and I was playing around with it, and I thought, I usually I have an iPhone, I'm pretty much an Apple person, so I've got a lot of iOS devices. So it's not available yet for the iOS platform, but it is available for the Android platform. And I had purchased a Fire tablet, just a Amazon inexpensive Fire tablet, which I probably paid maybe $100 for. And I wanted to use that to control initially my OBSBAT tail air camera that I'm filming on right now. And so, as you can see with the tablet, I have the ability to control that camera, and that feed then is going through NDI into my UltraBox currently. But what I also wanted to do was utilize the new YoloLive app. If it was designed for an Android platform, I figured, hey, we can put it on an inexpensive tablet, and I could use that as well to control my YoloBox Ultra. So the key on that, and I'm going to switch here over to okay, so again, I'm using an HD 10 Fire tablet, probably about $100 on Amazon. When you first get the tablet, you'll notice that there is no Playstore functionality like you would see in a full Android tablet, more expensive tablet. But the good news is you can install that on there, and there is a number of videos out there that tell you how to do that. So if you just go in here, and one in particular is it's called How to Install the Google Playstore on an Amazon Fire tablet. Once you install that Play Store, then you can install various apps, and you can then, including the YoloLive app that's available now, and then be able to use just your tablet to control your UltraBox. So to get the so once you, and I'm back up a second, so once you install your Google Play, and I'm not going to go through the process on that, but what you have to do is download several files to your tablet, and then you're going to install those in a specific order, and these videos will tell you how to do that. Once you do that, you'll have your Google Play button available, or excuse me, your Google Play Store button available, and then you can go ahead and install various apps. Now, to install the YoloLive app, what you're going to want to do is get that link to download the files that you need to install. You're going to get that. There's a link, I believe, on a blog post within the YoloLive website. You can also get it on the YoloLive user group. There's a couple of posts on there that have that link in there so that you can go ahead and get to the file. And once you do that, you're going to get to a Google Drive, and it's going to allow you then to download the APK file, which is the package file for the app. So you're going to go ahead and download that. You're going to follow the prompts, and once you finish with all that, you're going to have your YoloLive app on your home screen. So the next step is going to be to click on that, and then you're going to be presented with a screen that wants you to connect to your YoloBox Ultra. To find out what that IP address is to connect, and by the way, you need to be on the same network. So your YoloBox Ultra and your tablet need to be on the same network. But you can put in the IP address to establish that connection. So you're going to want to go here on your YoloBox. You want to go to the settings button, and you're going to want to scroll down to mobile control. It'll give you some additional instructions there. Again, same network. You're going to open up that YoloLive app, and then you want to go ahead and install it. And then here's the IP address. So it is presenting me with the IP address that I need to put into my tablet. So you take note of that. Let's go back to my my Fire tablet, and I'm going to enter in that information here for the IP address, and I'm just going to hit connect. And once I hit connect, boom, Now I've got my video sources. So you're going to be able to do sources. You're going to have your overlays that you've set up in your YoloBox. And you're also going to have your audio settings. So those are the things right now that you can control in this first generation of the app. So if I wanted to change my video source, as I click on my tablet, it automatically changes it on my UltraBox. Boom. Boom. There we go. Pretty cool. And then the overlays, if I want to push an overlay, it'll activate it, and then on my tablet, and then boom, takes it off. So functions basically the same way as you would by going to that particular tab and activating it on your YoloBox Ultra. But now you can do it from your Android phone or from a tablet. So it does give you that remote control capability. So that's just a quick demonstration of how this works. Hope this was helpful for you guys. And look forward to further features being available on this. And of course, also love to see the iOS version of this as well.